I'm Zak Green, site manager. Been at Harron Homes now 5 years. The site's at Barnsley Stairfoot, named Nevison's Fold. It's got 238 properties on here, ranging between 2, 3 and 4 bedroom houses. So number one priority is always health and safety on site. Make sure everyone's going home to their families after a day's graft at work. Planning, ordering materials, booking the trades in for specific tasks to do around site. Ensuring everything's up to scratch with like your expenditure. We carry out quality inspections throughout each process. So we have a quality form that we have to sign off to ensure the trades get paid. And obviously before they get paid, we go and check their work to make sure everything quality-wise is up to scratch, and that myself and my assistants are all happy with the works. So that releases payment to them guys. But yeah, we walk around site every day, ensuring quality is always top-notch around site. Obviously there's no gas into site at all, so obviously every other site's always a gas mains put into infrastructure, which is electric and water now. Other one is obviously aesthetic look of the SLC pumps in back gardens. We always have to make sure your gardens are set out to ensure that there's a place for them to sit into. Other one is really like the temperature differences, just how hot the radiators get compared to the normal traditional gas boiler. Also the size of the radiators, obviously they've increased compared to a normal boiler, but other than that everything's pretty good with heating wise, and houses are really warm with them, so yeah. It's good to know that obviously Harron Homes as a company have decided to go roll everything fully outwards within the SLC pumps. I know a lot of companies are trialling them at the minute, but Harron Homes has decided to go full steam ahead, so it's good to be part of that. Any issue we find early days, we can obviously stop anything going forward. There'll be a lot of training get put in place. Obviously we want to make sure the customers get as much knowledge from us, so when they get into the new property, they know exactly how the thermostats work, how the SLC pumps work, any issues they get with it, they know where to go and find the solutions. The support we get plays a massive part. We've got obviously electricians and the plumbers, but then we've got Secon and Panasonic on the other side of the phone, emails away. Also when we first got the first few plots fitted, Secon and Panasonic came out as just to go through everything, make sure everything ran fine, make sure the plumbers and electricians had connected everything up right, and just make sure it ran through with the thermostats and everything with myself. So yeah, the support from them were massive.